Alright guys, just follow me on this one. I've been receiving a lot of messages from different people around the world trying to find a new job opportunity. Uh, those are job seekers that are actually trying to find this opportunity amid this crisis. And I know that a lot of people have been laid off by their companies, and the struggle it's getting harder and harder. And I understand that, but what I want to talk to you today is that you don't need to be spending that much time and energy trying to reach out to the head or the directors or the human resources people. What you actually need to be spending your energy on, it's on generating relevant content on LinkedIn to be noticed by all these people that is currently on the network, and not actually reaching out to them and to annoy them, to spam them, and to be so much needy of that job, because it's not going to increase your chances. So that's a quick tip, a quick advice. Generate content. It's not that hard. You can actually start by posting relevant news in your profile, constantly posting news and important relevant things of your area of knowledge that people could find interesting. So I'm going to be sharing more tips on how to get noticed by companies of our industry on LinkedIn in a free training that it's coming really soon. The link's down below. You just have to register for the training. It's completely free, and it's just trying to be helpful with everyone that I know that it's having a hard time, and hopefully you will land that new job. So stay safe. See you soon. Don't forget to register and take care.